Hey guys, welcome to my brand new YouTube channel, Crypto Night. And the reason I named it Crypto Night is because I believe that cryptocurrency is the kryptonite of our current financial system, and I couldn't be more happy about that. And I'll explain why in a little bit. I know what you're wondering, you probably saw the thumbnail. Yes, I did in fact sell off my entire portfolio, mainly consisting of stocks, and invested every single penny into cryptocurrency. And I'll explain why as well. Before I go into it, there are links in the description right now. If you are looking to take the plunge into cryptocurrency, I have multiple links down there in the description of exchanges that I use, that I trust. So if you're looking to take the plunge, again, hop in there, use one of those links. It helps support me and this channel grow and help support putting the word out about cryptocurrency to more people. So, all right, moving on. You want to know why the heck this 29-year-old kid took such a crazy risk to put all his money into cryptocurrency. And honestly, I don't see it as risky, mainly because when I really dug into cryptocurrency and what it's based on, this technology is going to be used by everybody in 20 years. Everybody with a cell phone, which is more than half the world, is going to have access to use this. Of course, people, this is the safest investment for me. And again, just want a disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Do your own research. But I decided it was the safest investment for me. And one of the reasons I believe it's the safest investment is because our current system, our fiat system, is broken. AKA the government has basically complete control over how much money to print, thus diluting everybody else's money. See, back in the day, we used to trade services. Then we developed the system of IOUs, and we backed it with, first it was iron, then we backed it with gold. This put a cap on how much a centralized government or a group of people could print these IOUs. These dollar bills we use, they're essentially IOUs. That's it. They're just paper. They mean nothing. They have to be backed by something to have value. We used to be backed by the gold standard. So the government could only print as much money as much gold as they had stored. But we moved away from that. We moved to the fiat system, which basically is based on nothing. It's based on the government just saying, we're going to force people to use this paper money and back it with our approval, right? So it still has value. I'm not saying it doesn't have value right now. But the problem with that is our central authorities and our central banks have full absolute power to print as much money as they want. And absolute power, I believe, corrupts, absolutely. And that's what we're seeing. We're seeing massive money printing. We're seeing massive inflation. And again, if you're not invested in something, whether it be stocks or real estate or something, your dollar bills are losing value by the hour. I mean, just look at grocery stores and different places. You see the prices continue to go up because inflation is continuing to dilute the spending power of your dollar bills as our administration continues to print money off the wazoo. So opt out of fiat and opt in to cryptocurrency and opt into decentralized finance. And one of the main reasons why I wanted to invest in Bitcoin and in cryptocurrency is not only because I saw it as a great investment and a safe investment, but I also saw it as something I wanted to support, something I believe in. Decentralizing of finance means that the power is back in the hands of the people. And that means specifically with Bitcoin, you cannot make any more Bitcoin. Bitcoin is capped. And right now the mining is continuing to lessen and lessen and lessen as it becomes harder and harder and harder to mine Bitcoin as we get closer to our endpoint of this is how much Bitcoin there is and that's it. And it's become so decentralized that there's no way the millions upon millions and millions of people who are running essentially the ledger from their computers around the world, there's no way they would be able to centralize to be able to make changes with Bitcoin and be able to add more Bitcoin, right? A centralized establishment like our government can print more money and dilute everyone's money and make everybody more poor. However, with Bitcoin, you can't do that. It's way too decentralized. These other cryptocurrencies as well, these altcoins, which are definitely riskier, some of them have become more decentralized as well, just harder and harder. Some of them are more centralized, but again, they kind of aim to be decentralized. And that's what I want to support. I want to support finance that is not controlled by a select group of people in power who can basically, again, make everybody more, even stocks, right? If I'm Apple and I have stocks, man, the stocks are doing pretty well. I can just make more stock shares for people to buy and I can dilute the value of everybody's stocks. Like there's no one stopping centralized places from just, hey, this is working, let's just print more, let's make more. I would much rather not only go with what I believe is a safer investment into Bitcoin specifically and some of these altcoins, just to support decentralization, right? Allowing people to have real currency that is actually scarce and actually capped, which is the way currency should work, in my opinion. We should not be able to just print, right? And make everybody more poor. There should be a cap. It should be based and backed by something a little more solid. Again, that is just two of the main reasons why I chose to invest all my money in cryptocurrency. Again, and the third I would say is just the use case, right? Everyone has a cell phone. Everyone has access to this. Everyone can do this. I can send my Bitcoin to anybody in the entire world. I no longer need a middleman. I don't need a bank to go through a bank to send money to someone, right? I can just, here's your Bitcoin address, here's mine, boom. I've sent you your money to someone in some other country. That is how amazing this technology is, and we no longer have to go through third parties and pay extra fees. I absolutely love it. And honestly, guys, what's even more awesome, especially right now, I don't know if this will last forever, to be honest, but right now, if you have your money in a bank, you're making nothing. Your savings account, maybe it's 0.0001. Okay, that's not even close to keeping up with inflation. So right now, there are plenty of exchanges, and again, they're in the description below, that you can stake your Bitcoin, which not only is rising, right? I got in around August when Bitcoin was between 30 and 40K. We're now at $57,000, right? So if you had just invested in August like I did, you've already seen growth in your money as a whole. Plus, a lot of these exchanges offer what's called staking, where you can put your money in for a certain amount of time and you can actually make 6%, up to 4 to 6% on your Bitcoin. So you get not only the value of Bitcoin going up, but you get staking value and you get to continually accrue and compound more Bitcoin. It's just, why would I have my money sit in a dollar bill that is losing value every single day as our administration continues to print more money, or I put it in an asset that's actually rising in value and is offering staking so I can even compound and accrue even more of those coins? To me, it's a no-brainer. Like, it doesn't even make any sense to not do that. And a lot of these other altcoins too, although they are riskier, are offering even higher returns, higher than 6%, up to 12. One of the coins I'm staking for 12% as it's rising in value and compounding. Okay, that is the beauty of the cryptocurrency. And I don't, like I said, I don't know if those annual returns will last forever as these coins grow in value and grow and grow. But for now, take advantage of this opportunity. Use those links in the descriptions. Get signed up. Purchase your Bitcoin. Again, we're probably going to break the all-time highs here by the end of the current year. And our last all-time high was around $64,000. So there's still room to go up. Bitcoin is essentially being called the new gold, and it's not even close to reaching the market cap of gold. We still have so much room for growth. You are not too late. You are later than the people who got in when Bitcoin was worth nothing. Like, I wish I'd gotten in so much sooner, but you are still not too late. I'm gonna do more videos on, again, how to just navigate these different exchanges, different risks involved, and continue to just update you guys on what's going on in the cryptocurrency world. So make sure to like and subscribe if you like this type of content. Save your money and make money and have your money grow in value, then you're definitely gonna wanna follow this channel and bring a lot of awesome stuff to you. But anyway, guys, thanks for tuning in. I'll make another video here soon. I don't really have an end slogan for you yet. I'll have to come up with one since this is a new channel, but make money and grow your money. All right, guys.